Hi, Marta here from Shortfit Designs Australia, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to let you know that I am finally coming to Western Australia slash WA. I will be in Perth during the month of March, April, and early May. We already have set up our products on our website, so you can go to the website and check out all the different dates that we have available for our different workshops. I will be doing workshops for fitting, sewing, and designing in bodices as well as pants. And also, I will be doing one-on-one workshops for ladies that want to have the personal touch. So, ladies, get ready, book your spot because there is only a few. When I have the workshops, there is only available limited spots for every workshop, so you need to book your workshop as soon as possible. So we already have scheduled all the dates. They are in our website. So go to Short Fit Design Australia at on top of the tab that it says retreats and events, and there in that tab you're gonna find the Perth event. So go in there, register, look at the dates that you may want to come for a pants workshop or a bodice or both. You also maybe want to book a one-on-one. So, ladies, I'm coming to Perth. Get ready, set, and go. Thank you very much for watching.